So have you ever seen those canister jars or the pantry jars that have the names on them already with the cute little labels, like a really country primitive look? Well, now you can create that yourself, and you could probably create it for a lot less if you just went ahead and went to like the dollar store and got the glass jars, and then you would just purchase this transfer, and you can totally do this yourself. It comes with the word pantry, as you just saw. It comes with several different names and words, and then it also comes with the labels. So you could apply the pantry to your cabinet, then you could apply all the labels to your spice jars, your salt, your pepper, your oregano. And how cute would that be? When friends come to your house, you could totally have this gorgeous little pantry because, we're also organized there. Or what I'm doing here is I'm actually applying this to a galvanized metal tin. These are just cute little buckets. And I'm going to put the word popcorn and candy. So how cute would this be for a family movie night? You could fill it up with popcorn and candies, or if you had a little girl's birthday party or even little boy's birthday party, you could again fill it up with, sweet little treats, because I think one says sweets. But get in touch with me if you'd like to see exactly what all names and words are on there, but I know there's so many, as you saw the transfer in the beginning of the video. So here, once you apply this label, you want to make sure that part of the chalk paste is dry before you're going to apply the next label, because you don't want it to stick to it. So I'm just using a hair dryer, and then I'll run my hand over it just to make sure it is dry before I'm going to apply the word to the actual tin itself. So these turned out really super cute. I think you would absolutely love doing this, especially if you have a cute little primitive decor home. This is absolutely perfect. So not only do we have that pantry transfer though, we also have one that is called a cocoa bar, which is super cute. It has a bunch of other words for hot chocolate and candies and things like that. So get in touch with me. My website is letsgetchalkinwithjen.com, and I would love to share these two transfers with you. Have a great evening.